Dear students, today we will learn the entries regarding past adjustment in case of partnership business. Now, while we are doing partnership business accounting, then some problem may arise regarding the mistakes encrypted into the books of accounts during the past years. Suppose we are doing accounting for 2019 and 20, but while we are finalizing or while we are carrying our recording during the year 2019 and 20, some mistakes detected by the accountant that those are related with the past years or previous years, that is with respect to 2018-19, 2017-18, etc. That is the mistakes done in 2017-18 or 2018-19 remain undetected, and that was detected during the year 2019-20. So obviously, whenever a mistake detected by an accountant, that should be corrected and that should be rectified accordingly. So today we will learn how to make rectification entries or adjustment entries with respect to the mistakes encrypted into the account during the past few years or past years. Now, some errors may occur in measuring profits or losses or in sharing profits and losses among the partners in any earlier years. Those errors may be detected by a firm in any subsequent years. Those errors may occur due to wrong adjustment, wrong application of principles, incorrect valuation of inventories, etc. As and when the errors are detected, we need to rectify those errors with the help of adjustment entries and made through partner's capital account. If a partner got excess amount, then his entitlement should be reduced by debiting his or her account and vice versa. Now, see the illustration. P, Q and R are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. In the ratio of 2:2:1. Net profit for the year ascertained at rupees 1 lakh. The accountant distributed the amount of profit among the partners according to the old profit sharing ratio. Later it was discovered that the accountant has not taken into account the following: interest on capital P5000, Q4000, R3000 not given weightage, interest on drawing P500, Q300, R200 ignored completely, partner salary Q rupees 6000, R rupees 4000 not debited to profit and loss appropriation account. So without doing these or without giving due consideration to these, the accountant has distributed 1 lakh amount of profit in this profit sharing ratio among PQ and R. So you are required to make single adjustment entry for correction of the above mistakes. Now, how this could be done? So before making the adjustment entry, we have to make some calculations, and that is shown in the statement on the screen. That is statement showing appropriation of profit. A. The partners are already credited with, that is, they are already credited with the total amount of profit of rupees 1 lakh in their profit sharing ratio 2:2:1, 40,000, 40,000, 20,000. This is actually done by the accountant, but the accountant ignored the interest on capital, partner salary, interest on drawing. Now we have to make those corrections. So in the B part, we are making those corrections. Net profit as given 1 lakh. Now if we allow interest on capital total rupees 12,000, 5,000, 4,000 and 3,000. Then the net profit reduced to 88,000. So less interest on capital 12,000, 88,000 net amount. Now 12,000 is available to P, Q and R. That's why 5,000, 4,000, 3,000 written in their columns. Now if partner salary is deducted 10,000, then the profit reduced to 78,000 and partner salary available to 6,000 to Q and 4,000 to R. Interest on drawing is added with the net profit. That's why 1,000 added here and deducted from partner's capital 500, 300 and 200. So 79,000 is the net divisible profit, which is actually to be distributed among P, Q and R in the ratio of 2:1. That we have distributed here 31,600, 31,600 and 15,800. 15,800. Now, by adding these three, amount comes to 36,100, that is 5,000, 31,600 minus 500. 4,000 plus 6,000 plus 31,600 minus 300, 41,300. 3,000 plus 4,000 plus 15,800 minus 200, 22,600. That is, these amounts are there ought to be credited, but they are actually credited with 40,000. So there is excess credit by what amount? That is net adjustment equal B minus A. So B amount minus A amount minus 3,900. As there is the excess credit, that should be debited. So this is P's capital account is required to be debited. Now 41,300 minus 40,000, 1,300 plus. As there is less credit by rupees 1,300. That is, we have already credited 40,000, but required to be credited 41,300. So 1,300 now to be credited to Q's capital account. So credit here, and similar way 22,600 minus 20,000, 2,600 to be credited to R's capital account. So finally the adjustment entry is P's capital account debit 3,900, to Q's capital account 1,300, to R's capital account 2,600. For capital of P, Q and R adjusted for rectification of past errors. Now come to the second illustration. Robi, Mohan are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:5. Their respective capitals were Robi 10 lakhs, Mohan 7 lakhs. The partnership deed provided for the following: interest on capital at the rate 12% per annum payable. Robi's salary 6,000 per month. Mohan's salary rupees 60,000 per annum. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 was rupees 5,04,000, which was distributed equally without providing for the above. So, what mistake the accountant have done? The total amount of profit 5,04,000 distributed among the partners equally, not in their profit sharing ratio. That was equally distributed by the accountant without giving due consideration to the provisions in partnership deed. Now you are asked to pass an adjustment entry to rectify the above errors. Now come to the solution. First we have prepared the statement of distribution of profits. So net profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 5,04,000. Now if we allow interest on capital, then less interest on capital, Robi on rupees 10 lakhs 12%, on rupees Mohan on rupees 7 lakh 12%, total 2,04,000. Robi's interest 1,20,000, Mohan's interest 84,000, total 2,04,000. 1,20,000 plus 84,000. After deducting that, it is 3 lakhs. Now less partner salary, Robi 6,000 into 12 months 72,000, and Mohan's per annum salary is given 60,000. So total 1,32,000. 72,000 plus 60,000. Total partner salary 1,32,000. After deducting the divisible profit is 1,68,000. Now that 1,68,000 required to be distributed in the ratio of 7:5. So 1,68,000 distributed in the ratio of 7:5. 98,000 to Robi, 70,000 to Mohan. Now after adding this, 2,90,000 required to be credited to Robi's capital account, or 2,14,000 required to be credited to Mohan's capital account. This is the amount ought to be credited and noted by A. Now less profit actually credited to capital account, which is noted as B. 5,04,000 that is distributed equally among Robi and Mohan by the accountant by mistake. 2,52,000, 2,52,000. So net adjustment require A minus B. This is required to be credited, actually credited 2,52,000. So there is shortfall of 38,000, which is to be credited more to Robi's capital account. And see the Mohan's capital account, 2,52,000 we have credited actually, but required to be credited 2,14,000. So excess 38,000 credited to Mohan's account, that should be deducted from his account by debiting his account. So 38,000 credit to Robi and 38,000 debit to Mohan's capital account, and that entry we have made in our latter part, that is Mohan's capital account debit 38,000 to Robi's capital account 38,000. For capital of Mohan and Robi adjusted for rectification of past errors. So in this way we can rectify the errors occurred during the previous years in the books of partnership business, in the books of accounts of partnership business, by a single journal entry that is popularly known as the past adjustments. So today up to this, please see our next video.